Hello everyone, welcome to Folding Friday with the Carbondale Park District.
Today we're going to be folding an origami fox. For this fold you're going to need a square piece of paper. Here we have an orange piece of paper with white on one side. To start this fold we're going to fold diagonally corner to corner in half and crease. Once you have a good firm crease, we're going to fold in half again to form an even smaller triangle and crease. Once we have our small triangle, we're going to fold one half of the top layer up to the top corner and do the same to the other side. This leaves us with a small triangle. We're then going to choose one of the corners of the triangle to fold to the other end. This is going to make a halfway point through the center of the third point. You can then separate these folds and pick out the third flap in the middle and split it in half and fold the point down. This is going to create the face and nose of the fox, as well as creating the two ears. Lastly, we have the tail that we bring around to the front and fold in towards the body. And there we have our origami fox.
Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for next week's Folding Friday.